5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sige, wala na yan.
We
Okay.
are group 1 and 4, and we're gonna experiment and find out what will happen if we mix vinegar and baking soda together.
Okay.
We need vinegar, balloon, and baking soda.
Okay.
Woo!
Try to do the experiment right now.
So we put baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Lola is very smart.
Try to narrate what you're doing. What are you doing right now?
Attention, she is smart.
You put the baking soda inside the balloon first.
Baking soda and the paper.
Don't speak Tagalog, ha?
This is not ritual. This is smart.
Tupinom muna yan. Tupinom muna
I
yan.
said don't speak Tagalog.
Sila lahat yun. This is smart.
Be careful, man.
He's smart. He can. Ikaw na lang. Put in extension. Don't do this at home. And I am one.
Wala ka napasok eh.
Smart ba yan? Smart ba yan?
Hawakan niya, hawakan niya.
I don't know your mind. Super smart.
Come on.
Meron.
Ayan, si Peter Pan. Ano na yan?
Ayusin mo pag ano.
I'm wondering, is pink for man? Yes. Ba naman yan?
Before we start our BINGO bingo.
Salamatan po natin.
Mayor.
Si Mayor.
Mayor Fernando Portan.
yung video.
Mayor Fernando Portan.
Okay.
Fernando Portan.
Pasama mo to tayo.
Yeah, look the recycling.
Diyan walang mentos. Wala eh. There's no mentos. Bigisan na ako yung... I mentos si Owen. Mentos is
Clean it so that there will know.
Okay.
What happens here is an acid experiment, which means the vinegar is shown as the acid, and the baking soda is shown as the base. When mixed together, it produces a gas, which is called carbon dioxide.